Welcome and thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Let's get into what I have for you today. If you're using the Astra theme, sometimes when you go to appearance and you click on the customize button, the customize tab does not show up. So what are the things you need to do to get that customize to show up? So the first thing you want to do is to go to tools and check the server, your server health. So go to site health and open it up like so. So when your server health opens up, click on the info button. So you want to go to the server section of these tools. So the two things you're looking for is the PHP memory limit and the upload max file size. So this is 20 megabyte and this is about 1 gig plus. So I think this can be better. So we'll be using two plugins to actually increase this so that our Astra customize can work. So the first thing you want to do is to go to plugin, or the second thing rather, and click on add new plugin. Now the reason why I'm using this first plugin is because I don't want to do this from my cPanel. So if you already have access to your cPanel, you don't need this plugin. You can easily just do it from your cPanel, but sometimes you might not have access to the person's cPanel, maybe if you're working for someone. So you want to search for file manager like so, and then you want to install it right here. And then you click on activate. Now our plugin has been activated. Then the next thing you want to do is click on add new plugin again. Now in this case you want to look for increase maximum file size. Now this is the one you're looking for, so just click on install. Also, this particular plugin I'm installing, you might not necessarily install it. You can just call your hosting provider to help you increase the PHP memory limit and then the file upload size to the maximum. So but sometimes again you might not have access to do that, so we just use this plugin and click on the activate button. Now the plugin has been activated, so the next step you want to do is to go to the file manager like so, and click on file manager. Now that will help us open up all the files on the server belonging to our website. So it's loading now. So when that loads up like so, you want to scroll down to the htaccess, and then you want to click on edit, code editor. The code editor would appear like so, and then you paste this code just after the IfModule. I'll give you the code you're going to paste on the htaccess. So you're going to paste the code right here, and then you click on save. Okay, so I tried to do it from that WordPress backend, but it wasn't working. I don't know why. So I came to my cPanel and then I just open it like so. So just open it like that, and then you want to scroll here like so, and you want to paste it, and then you click on save. Yeah, that should save up like so, and then let's return back to our WordPress dashboard. and now you can easily find it here. I edited it from the, so like that. So if you have that problem, you can just do it from the cPanel, but I think it should be about permission issue or whatever, but that's not what the video is about. So but I'm sure you shouldn't have that same problem. So once that is done, and the next thing you want to do now is to go to appearance and click on customize. Once you do that, I mean, the Astra should be able to open, and then you should be able to have the options popping up like this. So the customize up here like this, so you can see that has been resolved. It's another one brought to you by Tutorial Step